Good morning, and today we're in Grasmere in the Central Lakes, and we've got a cottage to soft wash. So it's a painted render, and you can see it's really heavily stained. So lots of green algae going on there. There's mould on this wall here. And really this tree here, this is causing the algae. Anywhere where there's shade, it will thrive really. But we'll actually transform this. So the paintwork's actually in very good order, the render's in good order, it's not flaking, so this is really good condition. So really, rather than just painting over the top of it, which a lot of people think is the only option, we can transform it by cleaning it. So we apply a chemical to kill the algae, and then we use low pressure hot water to rinse off the dead spores, and it will transform this. So we've got this to do, and the garage is over there. But the view's really nice. So, let's see how we get on with this one. So we finished this property now at Grasmere, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So you can see the algae staining, that's all gone. Really brightened it up. And the windowsills, as we say, that's part of the process actually. It cleans up the slate windowsills. Any rust marks, we get rid of those. And we get on this gable end. This was particularly bad. It's looking really good. Pleased with that. And then when we get on this end, this gable, so there was a bit of missing paint, but obviously we knew about that. Really brightened it up. And then at the front, so now with the sun on it, really looking bright. And then we also cleaned these garages. And then this wall here, this was stained, and there was a big rust mark down the middle there. We've treated that, and that's gone. And then at the back here. So, overall, really good. And as we say, normally about a week, 10 days after we're done, it will look its best as it fully dries out. So, but overall, we're really pleased with that. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.